Veteran actor Ranbir Kapoor is celebrating his 74th birthday today. Kareena Kapoor Khan, Alia Bhatt, Ranbir Kapoor, Karisma Kapoor, Aadar Jain, Arman Jain and others attended Ranbir's birthday party on Sunday midnight. Alia and Ranbir were seen twinning in black outfits. Mom-to-be Kareena Kapoor Khan was snapped with her hubby Saif Ali Khan. Karisma came to the party with her kids Samira and Kian. Among others who attended the bash were Neetu Kapoor and daughter Ridhima Kapoor Sahni, Tara Sutaria, Sanjay Kapoor and Maheep Kapoor. With Nikki Tamboli becoming the first housemate to reach the grand finale of Bigg Boss Season 14, guesswork started over who else would make the cut. Rubina Dilek, Rakhi Sawant, Ali Goni, Rahul Vaidya and Devolina Bhattacharjee have a huge fan base too. Well, Nikki's reaching the final was quite an incident too. Paras Chhabra, who is currently in the house as Devolina Bhattacharjee's connection, declared Rubina the winner of a task, following which she got the ticket to finale. Rubina being nominated for the rest of the season 14 for throwing a bucket of water on Rakhi Sawant of course cannot be in the final, but she earned special power to pick a housemate to give the ticket to. Rubina chose Nikki for the ticket, to whom she is closest in the house. While Nikki fans are happy, many others are shocked simply because they feel she has not played impressively enough over the weeks to merit automatic entry into the final. Bollywood actress Jacqueline Fernandez took everyone by surprise as she shared a picture of performing a jaw-dropping stunt with the help of aerial silk. Jacqueline on Friday posted a picture on Instagram where she is seen wearing an ivory-colored leotard. She is seen hanging in air with the help of a fabric which gives her support from the waist, upside down high, she wrote as the caption. Jacqueline currently has multiple films lined up. The actress will be seen in the Akshay Kumar starrer Bachchan Pandey, Kick 2, Bhoot Police and Circus in the coming months. Actor Pulkit Samrat is excited about working with Katrina Kaif's sister Isabel Kaif in Suswagatam Khushamadid. The actor also revealed that Isabel is extremely hardworking.
Isabel is really hardworking. We've just started shooting together right now, and she's very motivating in the sense कि वो इतना hard work करती है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है यार इतनी मेहनत कर रही है, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ पिक्चर में. So I'm really excited to pair with her and be a part of the film where I get a chance to work with really fresh talent, and she's very talented. So I'm really looking forward to Suswagatam Khushamadid as well.
Said Pulkit, who was present at Miss India Grand Finale event. Talking about his upcoming projects, Pulkit said,
currently I'm shooting Suswagatam Khushamadid. Hathi Mere Saathi is due for release this Holi, finally in the theatres. So I'm very excited for that. Releasing in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu. So please people in all the three languages and also Punjabi people, please go and watch Hathi Mere Saathi in theatres. Follow all the safety guidelines, and it's very exciting. And then there is Fukre, which is going on Flow very, very soon. So I'm very, very thrilled about it.
Suswagatam Khushamadid is billed as an entertainer with an underlying message on social harmony. It will have Pulkit essaying the role of a Delhi boy Aman, with Isabel playing the role of Noor, who hails from Agra. Sunny Leone has shared an emotional note on social media as her twins, Noah and Asher, turn 3. The actress says she feels beyond blessed to have her children, Nisha and her boys, whom she lovingly calls her nuggets, in her life. Sunny posted a string of pictures from the birthday celebration of Noah and Asher, who were born through surrogacy. Alongside the image, Sunny wrote, "My little nuggets are three, Asher Singh and Noah Singh Weber. You both are so different, but are the sweetest, nicest, caring, intelligent little men. I can't believe 3 years have passed and you both amaze me every day with what you have learned and all the things you say." Sunny shared that, "Story time is one of my favorite things now, and it's not me telling the stories now, it's you, starting with once upon a time there was no fighting, knowing that's what I want to hear every time. You both are beyond lucky to have a father and a big sister who loves and cares for you so much, and they are so lucky that you love and show so much of love and affection back to them." She added, "And most of all, I am beyond blessed to have you three children in my life." Sunny said that no matter how sad, tired or stressed she is, their little sweet voices that says, "Mama, I love you," makes the whole world disappear and warms my heart every time. I love you so much and happy 3rd birthday, my sweet boys. Sunny and her husband Daniel Weber also adopted a 21-month-old girl child, Nisha, in 2017 from Latur and announced the birth of their sons via surrogacy in 2018.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.